Think you need expensive AI video generators to create stunning faceless YouTube videos? Think again. I've been using a free AI video generator to create amazing videos like this, and especially like this. I'm here to tell you more about a free AI video generator that I've been using that makes incredible videos. Assuming 3 weekly videos, it would cost as much as $60 per month to make a faceless YouTube channel with InVideo AI. Plans on the Veed AI platform start at $38 per month for the same 120 minutes and extremely basic videos.
How can you experience text-to-video AI technology for yourself without having to sell your firstborn child? Forget expensive AI video tools. I found a secret 100% free text-to-video AI generator that will change the game forever, and I'm going to show you how to use it. It's the reality that Haiper AI, the 100% free text-to-video AI generator, is bringing to life right now. Buckle up and keep watching, because you won't believe what's possible. Secret free text-to-video AI tool. Here's what you don't know about YouTube.
When people talk about AI video generators,
we're usually talking about paid plans. We give you an affiliate link to click on and get paid if you sign up for a subscription. When the tool is free, we don't get paid. So why bother revealing this type of tool? Because I like you and I want you to subscribe and hit the like button. So go ahead and take care of that for me. The tool's name is Haiper AI, and it was created to help users generate videos using a combination of a text prompt and the latest advancements in artificial intelligence technologies. Registering for an account on Haiper AI is really easy. You can do so by linking either your Discord or your Google account to the platform. Once you've created your account, you'll be shown the homepage, where you'll be able to see some of the latest creations by the community. It's definitely a good idea to explore the platform a bit before you decide to create your own videos. By taking a look at what other people have generated and even analyzing their prompts, you'll get a better idea of how you can make the most of this tool. If you have a specific style in mind, for example, you can always look for a video from the community that follows similar standards. Open up the video and take a look at how the user generated it. The great thing about Haiper AI is that it actually shows the original prompt that was used to make each of the videos that you see on the Explore page and dashboard.
You could copy some of these elements, add your own twists, and then use the prompt to create something new. There are other tools available on the Haiper AI platform as well. Apart from being able to actually create videos from a text prompt, the AI system also lets you upload your own images and then animate them. It's still a relatively beta feature, but it can work great if you want to add some life to a still image you're using as part of your project. The platform also gives you access to a repaint your video function. This function is actually very unique, and while it's still being improved by the team behind Haiper AI, it can already deliver some really impressive results. This feature lets you upload your own video. With a text prompt, you can then actually change certain elements. For example, you could ask the AI to replace a cat with a dog, or perhaps to recolor a specific object that's visible in the video. Before we move on to prompts, I've first got an extra bonus tip that I want to share with you. Sometimes you may want to create multiple videos, but when you use the regular method of just adding your prompts and generating videos, they could come out completely different. If you want to get Haiper AI to keep a similar style among the different videos you need to generate with the tool, then you should take advantage of the seed function. Every time you create a new video on the platform, a seed is automatically generated and assigned to it. However, Haiper gives you the option to actually enter your own seed. When you do this, you can use the same seed with different videos you generate. You'll notice that it becomes much easier to actually get your videos to have a similar style. I've shown you the secret 100% free text-to-video AI generator, but after entering a few prompts, you won't find the results as impressive as those you see on the Explore page. What are you doing wrong? The answer lies with the prompts. There's a saying that goes, AI is just as good as its prompter. If you don't spend time learning how to enter the right prompts and how to structure them, then you can't expect to get exceptional results as an output from the AI model. Creating the perfect prompt to generate your videos can take some time. It's a good idea to start by taking a closer look at the various videos that the community created. You can see these on the Explore page in the Haiper app. If you click on one of these videos, you'll not only be able to see it play, but at the bottom of the screen, there will also be a section that gives you the full prompt that was used to generate it. Take notes of the prompts that were used to create videos that are in line with what you want to generate. By learning from these videos, you'll already be building up your skills to create the perfect prompts for video generation. When it comes to structuring your prompts, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure you're creative. Exploring a couple of creative ways to structure your prompts can help you get closer to what you want to achieve. You also have to make sure your prompts are specific and concise. Explain exactly what you expect the AI to generate in the video. If you need the AI to create a complete scene, then it's a good idea to be as descriptive as possible. Add details about any focus objects that should be included, while also describing what the background should look like. This may include things like mountains, rivers, and trees, or for an interior video, perhaps explain the location of a fireplace, chests, counters, and more. There are some specific keywords that you can also add to your prompts to get more precise outputs from the AI video generator. For example, if you want the video to have a photographic filter applied to it, you can use keywords like vintage filter or cool color tones somewhere in your prompt. The camera can also be controlled with some keywords. For example, camera zoom in will make the camera give you a view that's closer to the main subject of the video. By using the keyword camera moving to the left, you'll have a video where the camera is moving instead of being in a still position. If the video you get as an output seems blurry or pixelated, it might be a good idea to use a keyword related to its quality. Keywords like sharp focus, 8K, and high quality can help to improve the overall quality of the final video the AI tool gives you. Having trouble generating those perfect prompts? Here's a quick bonus tip. Head over to ChatGPT and explain to the chatbot that you're generating videos. Give the chatbot an idea of what kind of video you want to create, and then ask it to create a prompt for you. You've created a really unique video with this secret text-to-video AI generator, but it feels dull. How do you add more life to it? The best way to do this is to add some background sounds or even a voiceover to your video. This can help to bring it to life and to add more immersion to the clip. Since we're on the topic of AI tools, I'll show you a quick way to turn text into speech, which you can use to add a voiceover to your AI-generated video. There's a tool called 11 Labs. Use my link in the description to access a free plan that gives you 10,000 characters every month. Simply add your text, select a voice, and generate the audio file. If you'd rather prefer to have some background music playing, then you can still rely on AI. There are actually a couple of AI music tools out there. I'd suggest you take a closer look at SoundRaw. It's easy to use. Simply choose the style of music and the pace, and it will show you several examples that you can work from. Here, you can then further adjust each of the sounds the tool generates for you by configuring the melody, backing, bass, drum, and fills. You can also adjust the length instruments used to play, the key, volume, and even the BPM. This level of control allows you to create music that you can play in a loop in the background of the videos you generate with Haiper AI. The biggest pitfall for a lot of people who want to use AI to create videos has been the fact that these tools cost several dollars a month. Their limitations on the lower price plans are so restricting that you can usually not achieve exactly what you want to, and those with free accounts are usually unable to meet your needs. However, this doesn't mean there aren't any options available. With this secret tool I shared with you, you can easily create videos with a text prompt for free. There are no watermarks and no need to worry about all of those strict restrictions that make it difficult to generate something worth using in your own projects. This tool is also really powerful as it can do much more than just help you create videos. Upload your own images and animate them, or use an existing video and repaint it, allowing you to replace objects or even completely change the style of the video. With a tool like 11 Labs, you can even add voiceovers to your videos. Combined with an AI music tool, you can create backtracks and really bring the videos you made with Haiper come to life. All that's left to do is sign up for this secret tool, enter a prompt, and then download your video. Now that you've seen the incredible power of Haiper AI and how it can revolutionize your video creation process, you might be wondering how to take your AI-generated videos to the next level. Well, I've got you covered. Watch the video on your screen where I reveal the ultimate tool that will help you transform your Haiper AI videos into professional-grade masterpieces in just a matter of minutes. I can't wait to see what you come up with.